Modal verbs in English. These are the modal verbs and types of modal verbs in English. The first type of modal verb is likelihood. Some incidents seem like true, but can be stated as definite facts. In such case, must be and should be used as modal verbs. You can see the examples. His music teacher must be happy about her performance at the concert. My baby brother should be asleep by now. Possibility. In a situation when something is possible but not certain, use the modal verb could, may, or might. Examples: it looks beautiful, but it might be very expensive. He may become the best singer in this year. Next one is ability. Shows whether the subject of a sentence is able to do something. She can speak 3 languages, but none of them well. He could speak Tamil when he was 5. The other type of modal verb is permission. If we want to ask permission to do something, we can start the question with can, may, or could. Examples: can I borrow your pen? Could I close the door? May I come in? Request. If you want to ask someone to do something, we can start the question with will, would, can, or could. Examples: would you open the window? Will you turn off the fan for a while? Can you show me the yesterday lesson? Suggestion or advice. If we need to suggest or advise without ordering someone around, we can use the modal verb should. Examples: you should speak in English. You should speak in English. She should wear a short sleeve dress for the party. The next type of modal verb is command. If we want to command someone, we can use the modal verbs must, have, or need. You can see the examples. You must wash your hand before eat. You need to be at the class before 8. You have to finish your work before 4 o'clock. Obligation or necessity. In here, you can use the same modal verb used for commands. Express a necessary action such as obligation, duty, or requirement. Examples: you have to take care of your parents. You must attend the class on time. You need to come if you want to meet him. And the last one I have taken as the type of the modal verb is habit. We can use would or will to talk about habitual actions. Would for the past tense and will for the present and future. The phrase used to is also acceptable when you are talking about a habit in the past. Examples: when I was in UK, I would fall asleep with Sri Lankan music. I will get up early to cook and I go to bed late. If you watch the lesson carefully, then you can easily understand how to use the modal verbs in English. Thank you for watching.